Hello everyone, my name is Harshit. I am from Institute of Technology Bmore. Today I am explaining about the open weather API website which can get the using the HTML, CSS, JavaScript. By this code, we can ask you internal question by like these questions. I am explaining all questions by line to line, which can I use this code in per certain place. Let us start our video. How first question here? How does the on author stage change person work and why is it important? Because of we use in signing, we can use in signing state. It can change the user's signing state. It can trigger when the page loads. When a user logs in our code, it can use by using this code, JavaScript code. It can be used sign in and after also and log out also use it. Which can be used we already I am explained in before video. I get the first output sign in option. We can sign in after login, log username password. After it can show the we username by above and use the enter the city and we can enter the city and get this. Also after we can above by the right corner above we can show this logout option. By using this code you can log in or log out. It shows only login users when we access the dashboard. Which can be purpose dynamical features and display users info the redirect to the users. How is second question? Now this question you can understand. I think so. How is the weather data function and display in the app? By using this code, which can be and we already do this sign in option and the login after after that we do a JavaScript code, but we can open it get the open API open API whether which can get the website by using this link goes to the that, so it can get here ask please enter what we want to ask you that here views. Please enter a city name. It can be enter the city name. Here we link that website link. We get the here enter whether city. It can be enter any type of city. If it's city, it can get the perfect temperature, humidity, speed, like weather display, weather info. Perfectly, it can get the output. If there is not a city, it can get the error. Here this message will create used in the JavaScript purpose. Read user input makes a get request to open weather map versus JSON data updates UI DOM limits. How third question? I will start with hopefully you understand this question. Second question, how third question, how does logout functionality work in the application? Document get elements by ID. This which can be shown in I already explained which can which can firstly we can sign in after login after we get a website of the open weather API with log right corner above it can shows the logout option. We can also log out by using this code because by purpose call firebase water sign out better previous session redirects user to login page. Bonus is simply secure and will handle to on the silent side. Fourth question. How is the user profile icon generated dynamically? It can be directly profile can dynamically generated by using this code, which can be used directly uppercase, first character to the final, which can be used in usually printed by Evo, left corner Evo username, which can get the third party websites. Here, I mean, open weather API. Only API, sorry. How is the profile lockdown shown on our using only session? By using this CSS style, we get the sign in, login, and also it link to the weather API, open weather API. By using however this CSS style, it can get the our convenient style, which can be the explanation how we default. Profile card is hidden and all of the program container which is becomes visible. This is a pure hour based problem. 60%. How does the app handle invalid input or error from the weather API? It can handle input by using this exception handling, which can be have a concept on this. We have already know this what is exception handling. Exception handling is a handling which on the errors which can get in certain code. If here please enter a city, if it is city, it can enter. If it is not city, it can show the error. If anytime the error comes, it can catch and it can be create the error by using this exception handling the code which can use in the JavaScript code. Especially if no input shows error. If API calls fails, catches the error, arrest the user, hidden error info, it can show. Second, 7%. Over UI elements conditionally displayed, which can be expression. The weather info section is hidden by default after a successful phase. It's so displayed using inline style, which can use the weather, which can get the our perfect styles by using this code. This code. How will you refactors this code to add a loading spinner? I, which we have a explanation of. Firstly, I will read this this response added you with a spinner's CSS animation. Adding by the div, it can be an advantage by CSS animations, which can shows the perfectly by signing or login or website web pages. Before this spinners dot style dot display for blog, it can shows the perfectly. After data loads or on error, spinner dot style display is for the none. If error, it can shows this. It's a bonus interview question tip. And by using this, uh, these are the questions. These are the bonus questions which I always prefer to answer. Uh, why you use highways or not local storage? These are the base bonus interview types. And because these are questions are mainly asked in interview questions by using this open weather API. These are the questions. Also, it can bonus question. You can understand this question. How you will convert this into a PWA or a mobile app. How will you project the API key in production move to the backend? By you, we already explained why you use the Firebase and not local state. By using Firebase, it can perfectly get the installation of the Firebase of the Java, we whether API app. By we convert this Firebase to the JavaScript, it can get the it link to the weather API, it can get the perfectly compared to local storage. Uh, Second, how you convert in this in the PW or mobile app by using the third-party website of the web open weather API, we create a account and get the link, default link and print paste in the weather API JavaScript. We get the perfectly. How you will protect the API key in the production mode of the web. It can protect the directly by using the any type of any type of code. It can protect by different way. Would you like me to prepare? Uh, I think this is enough. These are mainly used asked in the interview question. That's all for today class. These are the explanation about the open weather API of the sign in login the spot of the interview questions by using HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Thank you for watching.